Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Confidence. If you're a busy person looking to improve your English, this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll be covering some quick and easy English conversations that fit into your busy schedule. Whether you're on the go, at work, or running errands, these phrases will help you communicate in no time. Let's dive right in. 1. Quick greetings. Sometimes, you only have a moment to say hello. Here are some quick greetings for busy days. Hi, how are you? A simple and polite greeting. Good morning. A fast way to greet someone in the morning. Hey, what's up? A casual greeting for friends. How's it going? Another casual greeting to ask about someone's day. These greetings are short but friendly, perfect for any busy situation. 2. Ordering food or coffee. If you're grabbing food or coffee in a rush, use these quick phrases. I'll have a coffee meal, please. A simple way to order. Can I get that to go? Use this when you want your food or drink to take away. What's the quickest option? Ask this if you need something fast. Can I pay with card? Ask if card payment is available. These phrases are fast and effective, helping you get what you need in no time. 3. Asking for directions. When you're in a hurry, these phrases will help you get directions quickly. The where is place? A direct way to ask for a location. How do I get to place? A quick way to inquire about directions. Is it far from here? Use this to ask about the distance. Can you show me on the map? If you need more details, ask for directions on a map. These simple phrases will help you navigate unfamiliar places efficiently. 4. At work. Quick work conversations. In a busy work environment, these phrases will help you communicate effectively without wasting time. The can we talk later? A quick way to tell someone you're busy but still want to chat. I need this by time. A way to set a deadline for a task. I'm in a meeting right now. Let others know you're unavailable for a chat. Can you send me that info? A short way to ask someone to share information. The let me check and get back to you. Use this when you need to gather more details. These quick work phrases will help you stay productive and keep your conversations brief. 5. On the phone. Fast calls. If you're making or receiving a phone call, here are some phrases to use. Hi, this is your name. A quick way to introduce yourself. I'll keep this brief. Let the person know you don't have much time. Can I call you back? Use this when you need to end the call quickly. I'll send you an email. If you want to continue the conversation later. I need to go now. Talk later. A polite way to end the call. These quick phone phrases will help you stay efficient and polite, even during a busy day. 6. Quick conversations with friends. When you're catching up with friends but don't have much time, try these short phrases. How's everything? A simple way to check in. I've got to go now. Let's catch up soon. Use this to wrap up a conversation quickly. The let's grab coffee later. Suggesting a quick hangout for later. I'm in a rush. Can we talk later? A polite way to end a conversation when you're in a hurry. These quick phrases are perfect for maintaining friendships even when you're busy. 7. Expressing gratitude quickly. When you're short on time but want to express thanks, these phrases work wonders. Thanks a lot. A quick way to express gratitude. I appreciate it. Another way to thank someone in a hurry. The thanks for your help. Use this to thank someone for assistance. I owe you one. A casual, friendly way to show appreciation. These phrases show appreciation without taking up much of your time. 8. Saying goodbye efficiently. When you need to leave but want to say goodbye politely, here's what you can say. I've got to run. Take care. A quick and friendly way to say goodbye. See you later. A casual and fast farewell. Talk to you soon. Let the person know you'll speak again soon. Have a good day. A quick and positive way to say goodbye. These short goodbyes are perfect when you're on the go. And that's it for today's video on quick English conversations for busy people. With these fast and practical phrases, you'll be able to communicate effectively, even when you're short on time. Remember, English doesn't have to be complicated, or time-consuming. It can be simple and quick. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about more easy-to-learn English tips. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay busy, stay productive, and goodbye for now.